Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for April 12th to the 24th. Models in agreement on the circulation pattern for April 12th to the 16th and forecast positive high anomalies over the Bering Sea and a trough in the west and a ridge in the east. But here you're looking at generally a zone of flow with a southwest flow over the east. Now, one thing I want to look at here, this is the ensembles, and look at the temperature, how it shows warm and cold over here in the east. It spreads eastward. We'll take a look. See how it starts going eastward. Then it starts getting warm again by early next week. And we still have a lot of cold here. But I think eventually this pattern is going to change. As you can see here, day 14, where I'll talk about this more later on. Okay. But the models are in agreement with the pattern. For April 15th to the 19th, the forecast consists of a Rex block over the North Pacific, a broad trough over the plains to the southwest, and a subtropical ridge over the southeast. Here's our ridge, our trough axis here, and here's a ridge here. Okay, the latest European run is most amplified with the trough in the southwest, extending to the southwest. So during this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures here and above normal temperatures for this region. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation across this area here. Now we're going to go in now for the period for April 20th to 24th, and this almost depict a progression of the 500 millibar circulation. The trough in the plains is forecast to slide into the east, with the weakening ridge along the east coast. Heights are forecast to rise in the west. The 0Z Canadian ensembles forecast amplified trough over the northeast, but is not supported well from other models. So during this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here and for the southeast, and below normal temperatures for this region. Okay, now here's what I'm talking about later on. The GFS is indicating a change in the pattern late in the month, and this is based on the change in the PNA and the NAO index, which may lead to some cooling late in the month into early May, with another negative NAO pattern heading into May. This will lead to a ridge in the west, as we're starting to show here, and a trough in the east. It starts sliding eastward. And this is like around the 23rd. And this would result in a northwest flow through the plains into the east, which would send cold air from Canada south and east. So this has been the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 12th to 24th. Thank you for coming, Jim, on this World of Weather, and have a good day.